Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti alla puttanesca. This dish in Italy, puttanesca, it's a really beautiful dish. And for this dish we need anchovy, I got a white wine, pepper, olives, plum tomato, garlic, parsley. Parsley, it's from my garden. Still I got so much parsley. I got a flake of hot pepper, spaghetti, and we gotta use oil. Now make sure the caper, the wash really good, it gets really salt. Okay, first thing I want to chop my plum tomato. My plum tomato, it's a fresh tomato that I peel off already. And I take some of the seeds out. One time I cut this way, like that, and one time I do like this. That's all. Now let's go to the stove and I want to start my sauce. Okay, the gas is on and let's start the sauce. Now you need oil. Make sure the oil is nice warm up. And I got a garlic over here. Okay, it smells so good already. And the garlic. I want to fry the garlic a little bit before we start with the anchovy. Now the oil, it takes the flavor, all the garlic, it gives a good flavor. Make sure to not burn the garlic. Now the garlic already go, and now it's time the anchovy. Okay. We load down the gas, because I don't want to burn the anchovy. The anchovy, you don't need the chop, because this melt everything, the anchovy. Okay, now the anchovy, it's almost done, and now we put the pepper and the Kalamata olives. And we give a nice turn for this, to give the taste, the oil, the garlic, everything together. All these ingredients gotta come together and make a really good taste. I think this is a good smell already. I can eat this like that. Okay, now we give a nice turn, more a little bit. And now it's a time we put the white wine. Now this with the wine, but 3 to 4 minutes. Evaporate the white wine. Everybody see now that the anchovy it's disappeared. The only thing it give you the good taste. Okay, now the wine, it's everything good now. Evaporated the wine, and you can see only the oil now, and you don't see no more the wine. And now let's start. I got my plum tomato, and we put it right over here. Now we put that pepper flake, but so you know one, it's okay. We mix all together. Now this you gotta cook for 10 minutes. Cook on medium, not really high and not too low. Okay, you gotta boil. At the time this, it cook for 9 or 10 minutes, and we cook the pasta already. Cause the pasta you gotta cook for 10 minutes. Make sure when you cook the pasta, they keep a little water for the pasta after you need. Okay, I was straining the pasta, now we put right inside of the sauce. This, you gotta stay, you gotta pick it up like al dente. I want to use little water for the pasta, all the time you need a little extra water. Okay, and this now, it smells really, really good. I can't wait to eat this spaghetti puttanesca. And on top of the puttanesca over here, I want to drink a nice glass of wine too. Okay, the spaghetti puttanesca ready. And now it's a time to taste. It's the best part now. Oh, look at this. Now you need little cheese. This I use, it's a pecorino cheese. And we use a little parsley. And now let's taste. Okay, good. My tomato, the garlic, the caper, the olives, it tastes really good. And I want to say, salute e chin chin to everybody. Make this dish and we can do chin chin together. Salute, chin chin. Thank you.